Number 1. 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,499, well-kept 4x4 pickup with a clean title and 172,000 miles. Powered by an automatic transmission, this truck presents nicely with its clean white exterior and has clearly been maintained throughout its life. Carfax records show that a brand new transmission was professionally installed by AAMCO at 141,000 miles, adding peace of mind for the next owner. This Ram has spent its entire life in Washington and Oregon and comes with a zero-accident history. It includes the original wheels and tires along with a matching canopy that gives the truck a clean, complete look while adding extra utility. Additional features include tow mirrors, a tow package, a backup camera, and a Bluetooth stereo system for modern convenience. Whether used for hauling, towing, weekend trips, or as a dependable daily driver, this Dodge Ram is a solid and well-equipped classic pickup. Number 2. 1994 Ford F-150, price $8,999, powered by a strong and reliable V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck runs and drives like new and delivers smooth performance on the road. With 215,000 miles, it has clearly been well maintained and remains in excellent overall condition. Finished in a timeless beige exterior with a clean tan interior, the truck has a classic appearance that stands out while still retaining its original charm. The interior and exterior are both exceptionally clean, showing the level of care this pickup has received over the years. It also features ice-cold air conditioning, making it comfortable and enjoyable to drive in any season, whether used as a dependable weekend cruiser, a classic daily driver, or in addition to a vintage truck collection. This F-150 represents everything enthusiasts love about the OBS generation. Number 3. 2000 Dodge Dakota, price $5,500. It has only 129,000 original miles, which is considered very low mileage for the year. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance both inside and out. The truck runs and drives very well, offering strong power and smooth performance on the road. The transmission shifts through every gear properly with no issues, and the 4x4 system works exactly as it should. It has clearly been maintained well mechanically and is ready to be driven and enjoyed. It also comes with newer tires and brakes, helping provide a smoother and more confident driving experience. Cosmetically, the body looks very good overall for its age. It does have some minor scratches and small dents from normal use over the years, but nothing unexpected for a truck of this era. The hood and roof show some sun fading and paint wear, while the rest of the paint still shines nicely and presents well. Number 4. 1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $6,950, showing 190,000 miles and paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a matching black leather interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers a strong combination of power, comfort, and classic Dodge styling. Powered by the legendary V10 engine, it delivers plenty of performance while maintaining a smooth driving experience. The spacious quad cab design features 4 full opening doors, providing easy access for passengers and extra practicality. Inside, the truck comes fully loaded with leather seats, power windows, and a premium sound system upgraded with a subwoofer that provides excellent audio quality. The truck has recently been freshly serviced and fitted with a brand new battery, helping ensure dependable performance. It has also been professionally detailed, giving both the interior and exterior a clean, well-kept appearance. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, well-kept short bed 4x4 powered by the reliable 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered pickup has been carefully maintained and continues to run and drive fantastic. Finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, the truck has a clean and classic look both inside and out. Having spent its entire life in West Tennessee, this southern truck remains completely rust-free, which is becoming increasingly hard to find on these OBS Chevys. The truck rides smooth, starts right up, and features ice-cold air conditioning, making it comfortable enough for daily driving or weekend cruising. It also comes with plenty of new parts already installed, showing the level of care it has received over the years. Overall, this is a solid, dependable, and highly desirable classic Chevy pickup with no excuses needed. Number 6. 2001 Ford F-150, price $7,800, very clean and well-maintained truck, both inside and out. It has 157,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck features a red exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and sharp appearance. It runs and drives excellent with a strong engine and smooth transmission. The 4x4 system works great, making it a reliable option for work, towing, off-road use, or daily driving. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, is smog-ready, and has current registration and tags. Overall, this is a hard-to-find F-150 in such clean condition, especially with its well-kept appearance and dependable performance. Number 7. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,700, clean and well-preserved classic pickup with 224,000 miles, featuring a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Powered by a reliable gasoline V6 engine and equipped with a 5-speed transmission, the truck runs and drives great and has been kept on the road with current registration. It recently received new tires and a new radiator, helping maintain its dependable performance, while the rest of the truck remains all original. What makes this Chevy especially unique is its history, as it was originally purchased brand new in 1991 by the owner's grandfather and has stayed in the family ever since. The truck has clearly been cared for over the years and still retains its original character and classic styling. Number 8. 1996 Ford Ranger, price $5,600, clean and dependable compact pickup with 166,000 miles. It features a silver exterior paired with a gray interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless look. Powered by a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine and equipped with an automatic transmission and 2-wheel drive, it offers a smooth and reliable driving experience that's perfect for daily use, commuting, or light-duty work. The truck has been well maintained and is equipped with cold AC that works great, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. It also comes with brand new tires, adding both value and reliability for the next owner. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck drives great overall with no known issues. Number 9. 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,995. The truck comes equipped with a strong 5.2L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a solid choice for hauling or towing. This one-owner truck has only 96,590 miles and has been well cared for over the years. Finished in green with a black interior, it offers comfortable seating for up to 6 passengers along with a spacious cabin design. It also features cold AC, power steering, tilt wheel, cruise control, and a Dolby sound system for a more enjoyable driving experience. Powered by gasoline, this Ram 1500 combines classic Dodge durability with everyday practicality, making it a dependable full-size pickup for work or daily use. Number 10. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,000. This truck is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 406,000 miles on the body and frame, while the replacement engine installed in 2020 and the newer transmission installed in 2021 have substantially lower mileage. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior, this gasoline-powered Silverado has been well maintained and upgraded over the years. Recent maintenance includes a new battery installed this year, along with upgraded heavy half-ton front and rear differentials. It also comes equipped with power steering, power doors, power locks, and power brakes.